Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to log in to your MyCentaChart account. Whether you're a patient or a healthcare provider, this tutorial will help you access your account securely and easily. Step 1. Open the website. Open your preferred web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. In the address bar, type in www.mycentachart.com and press Enter to navigate to the website. Step 2. Locate the login button. Once the homepage of MyCentaChart opens, look for the login or sign in button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Step 3. Click on the login button. Click on the login or sign in button to proceed to the login page. Step 4. Enter your username. On the login page, you will see a field asking for your username. Enter the username you created when signing up for your MyCentaChart account. This could be your email address or a unique identifier provided by your healthcare provider. Step 5. Enter your password. Below the username field, there will be a field for your password. Carefully enter the password associated with your account. Ensure that the password is correct, as it is case sensitive. Step 6. Click on the Login button. After entering both your username and password, click the Login button to access your account. Step 7. Two-Factor Authentication, if applicable. If you have enabled Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA, a prompt will appear asking for a verification code. Check your email or phone for the code, enter it into the field provided, and click Submit. Step 8. Troubleshooting, if necessary. If you have trouble logging in, make sure that you entered the correct username and password. Caps lock is off on your keyboard. Your internet connection is stable. If you still cannot log in, you may need to reset your password. Look for the Forgot Password, link on the login page, and follow the instructions. Step 9. Access your account. After successful login, you will be redirected to your MyCentaChart dashboard, where you can manage your health information, view appointments, and access other features. Conclusion: logging into your MyCentaChart account is simple and straightforward. By following these easy steps, you will be able to securely access your medical information whenever you need it. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to contact MyCentaChart support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.